Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with Brandon DIY. And today I'm going to be installing the Todelroo baby gate. This is 144 inches long. And the great thing about this product is that you can add and take away different sections of this gate. So you can extend it longer or you can shorten it a little bit depending on how much space you need to cover. This product ended up being exactly what I needed for the space that I had. I kept running into gates that were too short or a lot longer and a lot more expensive. So the space that I was working with was about 7 feet and 8 inches. So that obviously is less than the gate's entire length. And so what I'm going to have to do here is I'm going to have to remove a panel, and then I'm also going to be positioning this gate in a way that covers all this space, but that also is even. It is not an exact fit, but I'm okay with that. Now, if this video ends up being helpful, I do ask that you like the video. If you have any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe. Quickly, I did want to mention the sponsor of this video is the Brandon DIY Paint Edger. So if you have a project, if you're currently painting and you need to get to those edges and you really have been having a hard time with a paintbrush, you're going to want to use a paint edger. It's going to give you the perfect lines. So there will be a link in the description below for the Brandon DIY Paint Edger. Go down there, get yours today, and then you can continue on watching the rest of this video. So these pieces that I'm looking at here, these actually attach to the wall. So that was really important to me because we have pets and we're going to have a baby. So we don't want the pets or the baby to be able to get through to the other side. So it's really important to attach this to the wall. Now you do have included in the box this attachment outline that's going to help you to show you exactly where you need to drill in the holes and where you're going to actually attach these pieces to attach the rest of the gate. So here you can see what I'm doing to remove the first panel. There's a piece at the top of this bar that you're going to press down. You're able to press it down and then you can remove it. You can then remove the rest of the panel from the other panels, just like that, and you can remove it. That's it. And now this panel that you see here can be removed, and the panel that remained can then be added back with that bar, and you can attach it to the wall that way. In this case, I ended up attaching this additional panel to the other side so that the door could be a little bit more centered. So I am going to be taking off some more panels, about 2 to 3 panels off the other end. But this was actually to extend this section of it so that, again, the door could be centered. Now, if you wanted to get this exact gate, I'm going to be leaving a link for it in the description below. So you can pause anytime during the video, go down to the description box, click the link, and it'll take you to this Todelroo baby gate. Now you can see how this outline is helping me with positioning where I'm going to attach these pieces that are going to then attach the rest of the gate. And here you see me detaching the panels that I don't need. So it's that easy. It's that one bar that you push down. You then remove the panel wherever you want it. 2 to 3, you can remove all the panels. And then you're reattaching that same bar and everything is in place 100%. So the one thing that didn't come in the box were the wall anchors for the screws. So luckily on this side, I ended up drilling into the 2x4 that is behind the wall. And so I really didn't need the wall anchors here. Although I still did drill holes, I didn't need to do that. So if you're not able to screw directly into a stud, then you do want to make the holes, and you will want to find wall anchors. You are going to need that because that's just common sense, especially if you're installing something like this, a gate that's probably going to get pushed around. You definitely need wall anchors, so I highly recommend that. But yeah, it would be great if you could find the studs in the walls and drill directly into them with the current screws, or maybe even longer screws. That would be perfect. So I got everything positioned just right, and now I have everything attached to be able to attach the gate onto the wall. So this is perfect. This ended up working out just fine. And as you see here, all you need to do is grab the bar You're going to slide it through the bottom attachment, and then you're going to connect it to the bottom of the gate, and then you're going to kind of fidget around until you get the top gate and the top of the bar to connect. Once they're connected, it's in there. I mean, you could screw this in, you could do whatever, but it attaches pretty good just like that. And so now you have everything attached just the way it needs to be attached. Now we don't have the baby yet. Baby isn't due until first week of April. But we did this early because we want to keep the dog away from this room, because we're going to be putting baby stuff in the room and the dog will tear it up if we don't have this protected. Now I know I went through my whole spiel about liking the video and subscribing, commenting, but I really do appreciate all the support that I end up getting from you guys. This is a new YouTube channel for me. I do have another YouTube channel where I review printers, but this one is a DIY channel where I show you basically all my DIY projects, and I really do hope that this ends up being helpful to you so that you're able to get something out of it, maybe making a buying decision or deciding maybe this isn't for you. So I hope that this ends up helping you out. So my overall experience with this product was excellent. This is exactly what we needed, and it really was an easy install. It didn't take any additional hassle. It was really just self-explanatory. Really, the ability to customize it was what really ended up helping in the end, because it covered the exact amount of space. Now you see that it's arched a little bit in the middle. That's completely fine with us. Another thing is, if we want to get this gate out of the way for if we have guests over or something and we want to use this room, we can simply detach the bar, open it up, and we're good. So again, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.